Oh my guy, I discovered that Ghana also experienced flooding. Watch the video. This video contains my life experience, me and my mom when we visited Ghana. Much love to any fans. Relax and watch the video. We learned much. Welcome to Ceylon Airport.
Yeah.
We are going in and
You get that side?
yeah. We are currently this is Ceylon Airport at exact 5 p.m. Now we are close to it. Take a look. Okay, take a look.
Now we are right at the Lunge International Airport. Oh my god. This one is fantabulous. You can see Orange Office, Afri, Cell Office, and Q Cell.
Ceylon Airport.
Wow.
Now, I'm gonna put on a joystick now.
Okay, now we
How
are.
much that would be?
7. As you can see, this is the new Lunge Airport. As you can see, we're about to take our leave live. Huh?
Put on a joystick.
About to take our leave. Oh guys, as you can see, we're now taking our leave. Omo, this place is so beautiful, guy. Love this place. You will love it. Omo, as you know, watching Henry Reader, the best TikToker, is now taking a trip live to Ghana just for a few break. Omo.
My mom.
Yeah. With his mom, as you can see, she's so beautiful. Oh my god. Take a look. This is the Freetown International Airport, guys. This place is so beautiful, guys. Wow. I can't imagine myself being here. Wow. So now we're about to enter the airport. No, the place is so packed full.
Hey, let me ask you myself.
No. I think, yeah. This one is the international airport. Yeah. This one again. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys. Actually, we are going more for short vacation, and it's so amazing. We are around the national airport.
Freetown International Airport.
Guys, I hope you guys are wishing me good luck, guys.
Yeah.
More love to MK fans.
More love.
I really appreciate you guys.
Okay.
I really appreciate you guys.
Right.
We are going to Ghana for a short vacation,
Oh.
and we are coming back.
Yeah.
The voice of Henry. We
Okay.
love you guys. Yeah.
More love to Envy fans. Yeah.
We are already in the airport trying to go.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
you see, I don't know which currency will not go. Left here. I don't know.
So you have to change this currency to Ghana series.
Series.
Almost
So,
Ghana
you
series.
need to move.
Yeah.
I said, let me see the look for the camera. The clothes too nice now.
As you can see.
See Freetown National Airport, and this is my mom standing right here. Let's take a look of the back. See the airport now. See the airport. Okay, yes.
Yeah. It's your boy.
Yes.
Champion.
Okay, last station.
Let's go again. Let's go again.
This is how it look like. You're right here. At the
360.
airport. Okay.
Well, let's take this caption. I think flight is coming.
The worst mistake I did was very, very sad. I and my mom entered the airport very, very happy, and we need to do certain checkup before entering, and luckily we provide our passport, and then we enter the airport, right? And it was so amazing for my mom, first experience in the airport, right? She was really surprising, huge people around, different people standing waiting for their time and their flight. And luckily we are traveling to Ghana, and people we are trying to direct us which line we should follow, right? And we waited for an hour, waited so that they can do their proper checkup. I stand behind mom, and we got an update that we need to pay a security fee, right? And I tried to go there to make the payment for me and my mom. It was really a nice experience. I and my mom. Luckily, I made the payment, right? And it's about $50. Yes. And I luckily try my best to patient, right? Luckily, this was my mom's first experience She was really amazing. Right? We waited for a long period of time, and I forgot something outside. So that is the worst mistake, and I've learned you should not go out from the premises, the center premises, after you have entered the the center program area. And if you are going out, you should go out with your passport so that they can allow you entering again. I get outside to carry some of my belongings without having my passport. I give the passport to my mom to hold, not knowing that I should have the passport in my hand. I go outside, and the security agency tried to question me. I told her that I was inside there, right? And later on, he tried to do some inquiry, and she noticed that I was in, right? And she advised that I should always have my passport with me, right? That was my mistake, and I've learned. Secondly,
How was the night? I'm
there
living at the airport.
was a new experience for my mom. Wherein they told her that she need to have the Ghana cedis currency with her so that she can able to have a transportation when she finally arrive in Accra, Ghana. Alright, and the trip was something unique. Right, as you can see, we have huge people, different people traveling that day, right? And some of them are going to Nigeria, some of them are going different paths, right? And we patiently wait until they verify all our documents, which was really amazing. Yes, let us relax and see. Yes, after the inquiry, everything, they allow us to enter the new area wherein they do a biometric check and everything proper check as usual, right? And it was really amazing, and it was really a new experience for mom to enter the Sierra Leone airport and Accra, Ghana airport. It was really amazing. You will love and learn from our experience, and just relax and watch the video to the end.
Put I say back. Give me phone.
There's the phone there.
No, you say you need that. You say you need left your phone. You know how they communicate with that. Who's new phone? My old phone and me. Where is money by what?
Taxi flies to Accra and Lomé. For your safety, make sure your can luggage is stored during taxi takeoff or landing. If there might be someone under the seat in front of you. As directors and electronic devices must be set in airplane mode. Laptop shall be straight up and so during taxi takeoff and landing. Captain Alohan and Tag, please to continue this flight with you.
Yes, indeed, we finally arrived in Accra, Ghana, which was really lovely. And this was how the environment looked like, and we noticed lot of new things, right? New ways of living, and also new food experience. Yes, indeed, we love how they prepare their food, and I and my mom decided to visit one of the favorite place where they direct us to go and check their food. As you can see, mom really enjoyed the food. Yes, mom really enjoyed the food, and the food is green soup. Really, the green soup is just like one of the food in Ceylon, which is ketchup elbow. Catch it on your elbow. It's something like a nice food, right? You can see mom was really enjoying the food. It is fufu, fufu and the soup, which is the green soup, right? And one of our challenges that we have an experience in Ghana is when we arrive from the airport and we need to book a car, right, to that we take us to one of the hotels, right, the location. But luckily there was a barrier there where you need to have a SIM card. And one of the things that I discover in Accra, Ghana, which is different inside, is that we need to get a valid ID, right, to get a SIM card in Accra, Ghana, which was really frustrating. Luckily, with the help of our passport, we were able to get the SIM, right, which is really unique. After we arrived, the other next day, we go and do our appointment, right, with the Royal Danish Center, right? And you can see one of the worst experience is the flooding. I think it is only Ceylon having flooding, but also Accra, Ghana also have flooding. Yes, really frustrating. This is how it looked like. It overflowed in the compound, one of the opposite area close to the hotel, right? You can see this is how the experience look like, and this is how people also have flooding in different country. Ceylon also have flooding, but this one is one I can't explain. But guys, thank you for watching the video. This is just a small view video, right? This is my experience. We visited the museum, Accra Ghana Museum. We learned more about Accra, and you can check the video on my YouTube. Much love to any fans. Make sure you share this video. This is just a highlight of my experience and my mom too. Bye bye, and see you next Friday. If you want to, you can see this is how the water occur, right? It come inside the premises in Ghana, Accra, right? And if you want to watch the video,